gonna have some good times with good friends, making good memories. A little bit of sunshine and good vibes, yeah, that's all we need. And we ain't gonna worry, ain't in a hurry, everything is going our way. We're gonna have some good times with good friends, making good memories. Everybody's moving to the song on the radio. A little Stevie Wonder never hurt nobody's soul. Something about lawn chairs out in the warm air feels like a sacred place. Cause when we all get together, every day is a holiday. We're gonna have some good times with good friends, making good memories. A little bit of sunshine and good vibes, yeah, that's all we need. And we ain't gonna worry, ain't in a hurry, everything is going our way. We're gonna have some good times with good friends, making good memories. It doesn't matter if it's been a year or been a week, we can always pick right up and never miss a beat. There's something about seeing those smiles and busting out laughing face to face. It's a real kind of feeling no phone call can replace. Oh, we're gonna have some good times with good friends, making good memories. A little bit of sunshine and good vibes, yeah, that's all we need. And we ain't gonna worry, ain't in a hurry, everything is going our way. We're gonna have some good times with good friends, making good memories. Yeah, we are now. I'm talking good times, good friends. Oh, you know we're gonna have good times with good friends, making good memories. A little bit of sunshine and good vibes, yeah, that's all we need. And we ain't gonna worry, ain't in a hurry, everything is going our way. We're gonna have some good times with good friends, making good memories, yeah, it's gonna be good.
Hey! Welcome to this grand celebration of TMI's 20th anniversary. Yes. Tonight, we are here to celebrate Toyota Makati's 2 decades of growth and success.
Before we go any further, let us first acknowledge the presence of our distinguished guest this evening.
It is a great honor to celebrate with us tonight our distinguished chairman, Mr. Vicente S. Soco.
GT Cam, Vice President Mr. David Asuncion.
Good evening, sir. We also have TMP First Vice President for Controllership and TMI Treasurer, Mr. Dennis Escuro. Good evening, sir.
TMP Vice President for CSO, Mr. Jeff Matsuo.
Good evening, sir. Let us also welcome our friends from Toyota Bikutan Paranaque officers. Good evening.
Our very dashing President, Mr. Sherwin Chua Lim.
Woo! Our Executive Vice President and General Manager, Mr. Lee Esunya.
And to all the department heads, officers, awardees, and fellow team members, thank you for all being here with us tonight. Ito lang masasabi ko. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of the night.
Yes, now, to officially welcome everyone for tonight's festivities, give a warm round of applause to our chairman, Mr. Vicente S. Soco.
Team Toyota Makati, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Sa wakas, pagkaraan ng 3 taon, mababati ko na kayo ng face-to-face at live ng isang maligayang ika-20 anibersaryo sa ating lahat. Mabuhay ang Toyota Makati. Meron sana akong 2 tanong para sa inyo at inaasahan ko sana ang inyong masigabong pagtugon din. Pwede? Alright. Sino ang #1 automotive brand dito sa Pilipinas? Oh, yun, no? Ito naman, pangalawa. Ika nga ni Father kanina, no? Ano ang #1 Toyota dealer sa inyong puso? Yes! Very good! Ang gagaling nyo. Bigyan yan. May mga premyo. Meron ba? Tumpak, mga kasawa. Ang Toyota ang #1. Ngunit, naging posible lang yon dahil sa bawat isa sa inyo at sa inyong walang sawang pagsusumikap. Not only meeting, but exceeding expectations at every customer touch point, every day, 1 customer at a time. Ang bawat isa sa inyo, sa mata ng ating mga tagapagtangkilik, kayo, each one of you is Toyota. Kayo po ang muka ng Toyota. So, lahat ng ating sineselebrate ngayon for 20 years, kayo po ang may kagagawan. So sa pangalan po ng Toyota Motor Philippines at sa lahat po ng tagapangasiwa ng Toyota Makati at Toyota Bikutan, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Thank you very much. Domo arigatou gozaimasu. Alam niyo po, mahigit 40 taon na po ang nakakalipas mula nung ako'y sumapi sa Toyota. Magiging 50 na nga eh. Obvious ba sa dami ng puting buhok natin? Hindi ko na pwede ipagkaila yan. No? Pero i-flex ko lang. Lubos kong ikinasiya ang bawat dekada, bawat taon, bawat buwan, bawat linggo, bawat araw, bawat oras, bawat minuto nito. Patuloy lang siyang humuhusay at humuhusay at humuhusay. Sa ngayong gabi ngang ito, lalo pa siyang humusay dahil ito lang ang aking unang pagkakataon na makasama kayo sa pagdiwang ng ating anibersaryo. So maraming salamat muli sa inyong lahat. Ang pagiging #1 ay isang malaking tagumpay. At dapat natin bigyan ng parangal. So ngayong gabi, magpapasalamat tayo at magbibigay pugay sa lahat po ng mga biyaya na natamo natin nitong huling 20 taon. At sa ating pagsulong, as we move forward to the next 20 years at higit pa, may 3 paalala sana ako na nais ipamahagi sa inyong lahat. Una sa lahat, ang pagiging #1 ay tunay na malaking tagumpay. Ngunit ika nga ni Father kanina, tayo ay mga katiwala lamang. Ang pagiging #1 ay isang napakalaking responsibilidad. Maaari na nga nating sabihin na ito ay isang katungkulan natin sa ating mga customer, sa ating mga kasosyo, sa ating komunidad, sa ating dealership at mga kasama, mga kaibigan natin at kapamilya, at higit sa lahat, sa sarili natin. At dahil sa tayo ay namumuno sa industriya, kailangan nating tandaan lagi that we have to do the right thing the first time, all the time. Walang second chance. Yan ang ating responsibilidad bilang number one. Ang bawat kilos natin, ang bawat galaw natin ay makakaapekto sa ating pangalan at sa ating reputasyon. At hindi lang sa pangalan at reputasyon ng Toyota o Toyota Makati, kundi pa kasama na rin ang ating personal na pangalan. So, kailangan tama lagi tayo. Pag naglabas tayo ng bagong modelo, maraming excited at nasisiyahan. Pag nakapag-deliver tayo ng sasakyan nila on time, maraming nasisiyahan. Pag na-repair natin yung unit at nakapagparating tayo ng pyesa on time, marami ang nasisiyahan. At pag natupad natin ang ating mga pangako, maraming nasisiyahan at nagpapasalamat sa atin. Sa kabilang dako, kung hindi natin maisakatuparan ang ating mga commitment, maraming hindi natutuwa. Pag hindi natin na-deliver yung kanilang mga sasakyan sa takdang araw o oras, marami ang hindi nasisiyahan. At kung ang ating mga tagapagtangkilik ay pinipilit nating bumili ng higit talaga sa kanilang kinakailangan o gusto, maraming hindi nasisiyahan. At hindi natin maaari itong pabayaan mangyari. Dapat natin tandaan kung bakit tayo narito sa negosyong ito. Oo na't nagbebenta tayo ng napaka-exciting na mga sasakyan na Toyota. Nagsaservice tayo at nagbebenta ng pyesa. Pero ang tunay na dahilan na nandito tayo ay para makapagdulot tayo ng kasiyahan sa ating mga tagapagtangkilik at makamit ang kanilang mga matatamis ng ngiti. Ang pangalawa ko sanang paalala sa ating lahat ay dito sa Toyota, wala pong the best. Yung ika nga, pinaka. Meron lang po tayo dito sa Toyota ng the better way. Ang mas mahusay at mas maiging pamamaraan. In my 40 years with Toyota, I have been constantly guided by the belief that tayong lahat dito ngayon, we are a bunch of passionate perfectionists who cannot and will not live well enough alone. Bawal po yung, pwede na yan. Okay na yung yan. There is always a better way. And together, sama-sama tayong hahanapin yung better way na yon. At sa paghahanap natin ng mas maigi at mas mabuting pamamaraan, ang ating customer ang siyang tunay nating gabay na maghahatid sa atin sa tamang pamamaraan. Ang huli ko sanang paalala sa inyong lahat ay lagi po nating hanapin ang kasiyahan sa lahat po ng ating ginagawa. Love to drive, love to go places, love to make people happy. Pero tandaan din natin na hindi tayo makakapagdulot ng kasiyahan kung tayo mismo ay hindi masaya. I love Toyota. At napakadami kong dahilan para mahalin ng Toyota. Una sa lahat, nariyan na ang bukod tanging nating reputasyon sa quality, durability, and reliability. Isama na natin dyan ang pagpapahalaga natin at paggalang sa kapwa at walang sawa nating paghahanap ng tamang pamamaraan. Ipatong pa natin ang maaasahan at kinaiinggitan na reputasyon natin sa parts and service. At idagdag pa natin ang napakalawak at napaka-exciting lineup natin ng mga sasakyan ng Toyota. Mapasedan pa yan, hatchback, crossover, minivan, sports car, SUV, pick-up, hybrid electrics, may cargo vehicles pa tayo. Napakarami pong dahilan eh. Pero ang pinaka-importante na dahilan at pinakamahalagang dahilan para sa akin ay kayo, ang dealer at ang mga team member natin. Walang halong biro yun ha, galing sa puso yun. Kayo, you are what make us truly outstanding and what makes us number one. Because we truly care about bringing happiness to our customer. Toyota Makati has sold over 70,000 units mula nung nag-umpisa tayo ng operations natin. And just as importantly, we have serviced over 400,000 units dito po sa ating service shop. Ang kahulugan nun, ang ibig sabihin nun, ay napakarami nating dahilan para magpasalamat dahil napakarami na po nating Toyota fans. At ang bawat isa sa inyo dito ay dahilan kung bakit naging Toyota fan sila. So bago ako magtapos, nais ko sana kayong iwanan ng isang hamon, pero sa ngayon, hihilingin ko sana kung maaari pong tumayo kayong lahat at yung halo-halo na ayaw ipagalaw sa inyo, ay pwede nyo nang galawin. Pakiwari ko, ang dami nagtatanong kung bakit nauna yung dessert kesa sa main course. Nagkataon lang po kasi nakagawian ko na rin na pag nagbibigay ako ng hamon, ang tinatawag ko dito ay yung halo-halo challenge. So samahan niyo po ako dito sa halo-halo challenge ko para sa Toyota Makati sa okasyon ng ating ika-20 anibersaryo. Ito ang hamon ko sa inyong lahat, sa ating lahat. Paramihin po natin ang ating mga Toyota fans ng 70,000 times 70,000 po. Yun ang ating gagawin para sa ating masagana at mas magandang kinabukasan. Kakayanin ba natin to? Talaga, 70 by 70, marami yun. Anyway, maraming salamat po. Kampay at sa mabuhay ang Toyota Makati. Cheers, cheers. Oh, upakan nyo na yung halo-halo. Maraming salamat po. But wait, there's more. Isang kahilingan na lamang po. Bago po ako magtapos ng tuluyan, pwede po ba ako mag-groupie kasama kayong lahat? Yung una nating kuha ay number 1. Ang pangalawa nating kuha ay Waki. Okay? Bahala na kung magkasya tayong lahat, ha? Kabilang ng 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, Waki. 1, 2. 1, 2, Waki. Maraming salamat po, Toyota Makati. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat at maligayang anibersaryo sa ating lahat. Thank you.
It is time to present our service awardees. Behind every achievement, there are dedicated and passionate individuals who work tirelessly to uphold the values of Toyota Makati.
Tonight, we take a moment to honor our fellow team members who have been with us since the beginning, as well as those who have joined us along the way. Their commitment, expertise, and unwavering support have been instrumental in our success. Let's watch this.
Nakita ko isa sa maganda sa TMI, pinakita niya yung best example ng pagiging malasakit, especially nung time ng pandemic. Hindi nila kami pinabayaan mga empleyado.
First of all, sa TMI po, nakita ko po dito yung camaraderie, yung spirit of Kaizen, talagang ginagawa. At meron pong employee satisfaction po. Yun ang importante kasi kailangan masaya si employee para maging service provider siya na maganda rin.
Siguro po sa pinakamaganda ko nakita dito sa Makati is yung location po. All of my life po I've been living in Laguna. I've been always fascinated in Toyota Makati.
Ang nagustuhan ko sa Toyota Makati, siguro bilang employee nila, naging part ako ng service department na tinuturing kong isang pamilya at isang bahay.
Magandang nakita ko sa TMI is a great place to work, and the people here are friendly, kind, and very cooperative, and TMI cares and support its employees while also challenging them to grow with the company.
One thing I find good in TMI is that we are being run by good people, good leaders who practices the spirit of fairness, generosity, and compassion to people. Leaders who recognizes each and everyone's achievements and contributions, encourages us in achieving our target and to work more efficient and effectively.
Toyota Makati has a career growth. In fact, I was hired at Toyota Makati and was transferred to TBP in March 2010. Eventually, I was promoted as HR supervisor and currently an HR assistant manager.
Dito sa TMI, na-feel ko talaga dito yung sense of belongingness. Sa mga kasama ko sa trabaho, nagkaroon kami ng bonding, camaraderie. Parang isang pamilya na rin kami dito sa opisina.
Workmates. Kasi iba yung bonding ko dito sa Toyota Makati. Buo yung mga technicians.
Kapasok ako dito sa TMI, pinag-aralan ko lahat halos. Hindi po ako basta lang naging employee na lang nandito sa ibaba. Ibig sabihin po, binibigyan tayo ng tsansa upang umangat po din sa rango natin. Bibigyan ng pagkakataon, dito na siguro ako magre-retiro.
Yung company values that we learn, yung mission nila at goals para sa Toyota Makati.
This is where I found my true love, my forever. TMI is my second family, my second home.
Yung TMI is very caring and supportive sa mga empleyado nila, especially nung pandemic. TMI ang tumulong sa akin.
For me, it's not all about what I have received from the company, but the good environment we're working with. Komportable ang feeling na alam mo na yung mga ginagawa mo, and supportive team na nandyan as you perform your duties and responsibility.
Commitment po siguro aligned with the Toyota Makati's mission and vision po. Tsaka overall customer satisfaction po.
Sa akin naman, sa trabaho ko, maging good leader sa mga bago, pakita mo yung professionalism mo.
One of my commitment sa TMI is to proceed namin at ma-achieve yung goal namin, which is siyempre target kami constantly.
Ang commitment ko sa TMI is to be able to provide my service in terms of technicals, hardware and software to develop more projects na maaaring gamitin ng TMI.
I deliver to continue to give good service to our customers, to contribute more, especially to our younger generations, and I will continue to work even more harder and do my utmost best for the sustainability and the brighter future of Toyota Makati.
Kailangan mag-contribute po kami sa common goal po ng company, management, to achieve yung goals po namin, yung target po namin. Maging example po sa bawat empleyado.
I am committed to do what is aligned to the company's mission, vision, and goals, and work with utmost integrity and dedication.
Continue to be a good service provider sa mga customer natin and be a good employer sa ating mga team member.
Wish ko po sa TMI, hanggat may Toyota, sana nakatayo pa rin itong TMI kasi dito na kami nagsimula. Dito na rin po matatapos yung career namin sa TMI.
Congratulations na-reach po nila yung 20 years. One of the oldest dealerships in the Philippines. More sales, more service, and more customers po in the future.
Toyota Makati is a blessing to each and every team member. May this company continue to prosper and be blessed. More power to TMI.
For Toyota Makati to do what we have started, to do what we are doing best, and to continue building good people to deliver the best products and services for our dear customers. Happy 20th, Toyota Makati, and more power.
Ang message ko naman sa Toyota, hopefully many years to come, growing better, greater, and stronger.
Sa 20 years ko as pioneer ng Toyota Makati, I would like to thank the management, our chairman, president, vice president, head departments, my colleagues, and especially the service department. Happy 20th anniversary, TMI.
Recognition and tribute to all our retirees.
It is with our great pleasure to honor the remarkable individuals who have dedicated their time, energy, and talents to Toyota Makati. We express our deepest gratitude and admiration for their contributions.
Yes, Kai, pinag-uusapan lang natin ito a few days, no? How retirement makes such an impact to one's life. Retirement marks the culmination of a lifelong journey, a time when our colleagues transition into their new chapter of their lives. It is a momentous occasion that deserves our utmost respect and admiration.
The retirees we honor tonight dedicated countless years to our organization, exhibiting unwavering commitment, professionalism, and a passion for excellence. Let's watch this.
Toyota Makati Inc. is one well-reputable company here in the Philippines. For the past 20 years, it's helped me gain my knowledge by the support of my management and good working environment with my fellow. These are the reasons that makes me stay with Toyota Makati Inc. for a longer period of time.
Happy 20th anniversary Toyota Makati Inc. Sa ilang taong kong namalagi bilang isang team member, ay naging masaya ako sa pagtatrabaho tulong ng aking mga superiors, co-workers, managers, and management.
Happy 20th anniversary, TMI. I appreciate the opportunity I had here to grow in my career and be a part of the team. I'll never forget the experience I had working here. TMI has provided me with a family and sense of belonging, which is why I have remained with the organization for so long. I look forward to stay connected and hearing updates about the team's achievements.
Happy anniversary Toyota Makati at sa ating lahat. Sa taong 20 taong kong pagsisilbi sa Toyota Makati ay malaki pinagbago ng aking sarili. Malaking tulungan na ibigay sa aking sarili at sa aking pamilya ng management ng Toyota Makati. At pinagkatiwalaan nila ako sa posisyon na binigay nila sa loob ng 20 taon ay napagsilbihan ko ng maayos ang posisyong binigay nila sa akin.
Wishing you all great success and congratulations for your 20th anniversary.
A wish for Toyota Makati Inc. More things to come in the future and hard work, fellow, and good luck. And God bless all of us.
Dalangin ko sana ay tumagal pa ng maraming taon ang Toyota Makati Inc. Maraming salamat po.
Mula sa Toyota Makati ay tumagal pa ng maraming taon at makapagbenta ng maraming sasakyan. At masasabi ko lang na proud ako sa Toyota Makati at ako'y naging isang empleyado.
Let us raise our glasses and toast to our retirees, celebrating their exceptional careers and the lasting impact they have made. Cheers!
Cheers!
Cheers to all our retirees!
This celebration isn't complete without the very important message from our dear President. And to give us his closing remarks, let's welcome back on stage our President, Mr. Sherwin Chua Lim.
Lakasan nyo ang palakpak, guys. Sinasabi ko sa inyo.
Happy evening. Happy? Narinig niyo ba ako? Happy evening sa inyong lahat. Happy 20th anniversary rin. Sana happy kayong ngayong gabi. Dahil busog kayo. Busog ba? Very good. Salamat kay Miss Jo. At binusog niya tayong lahat buong araw. And meron pa nga kayong iuwi na donut para sa pamilya nyo. Busog rin sila. Bilang pasasalamat sa kanila. I'm grateful that we are joined tonight by our executive committee members. Earlier, Mr. Socor, Chairman, Mr. Dave Asuncion, Mr. Dennis Escuro, and Mr. Jeff Matsuo. I would also like to acknowledge all TBP officers for coming over to take part in our festivity today. Thank you for celebrating this momentous occasion with us. Before I begin, I would like to first extend my sincerest gratitude to all our retired team members, Roland, Andy, Ed, and Tina, for dedicating a big part of your life to serve TMI well. Gusto ko rin magpasalamat sa inyong pamilya na nandito ngayong gabi. Salamat sa pag-unawa sa kanilang mga trabaho. Lalo na kapag ginagabi sila ng uwi. Minsan, mas mahaba pa ang oras nila dito sa opisina kesa sa inyo na pamilya nila. Maraming salamat sa inyong pag-intindi at suporta, and we wish you well on your retirement. Thank you very much. Also, I would like to extend my appreciation to the contributions of our loyalty awardees and wish that you will continue to stay passionate with your service to TMI, and most importantly, be an inspiration to others. Congratulations and maraming salamat for being one with us through the years. Team TMI, today marks our 20th year of creating customer smiles. If you recall, we had our group or family photo for our anniversary a few weeks ago. When I saw that photo, I cannot help but feel honored and privileged to be leading a young and energetic team. Everyone on that photo wore their sweetest smiles, which signifies the happiness and strength of our people and the feeling of pride in carrying the Toyota brand. For 20 years, we had our share of ups and downs as an automotive dealer. But despite that, we have to be proud of what we have surpassed and how big we have become. I personally believe that it is because of you and your contributions to TMI that made us who we are today. Like the saying goes, tough times do not last, but tough teams will always do. And no doubt you have proven to be a tough team to beat. If there is one important thing that I have learned from my years working for Toyota, is that people matters. We may have the best product lineup, best vehicle technology and design, but in the end, if we don't have the right people, nothing will succeed. Kung hindi rin natin pinagbutihan ang trabaho natin araw-araw para pagsilbihan ng customers natin, di ko rin alam saan ang TMI ngayon. Kaya maraming salamat sa inyo. Each one of you and our customers are the reasons why we continue to exist, and these will always be the basis of our growth tomorrow and in the future. Let me quote what Chairman Akio Toyoda several times mentioned in his speeches, and I would like you to always remember this. It's not the number of cars we've sold or serviced that's important, but to be number one in the hearts of our customers. Therefore, let us continue to make CS a way of life. Let us not practice it because we have to, but because we love to. Kaya, as I always say during our birthday luncheon, we spend more than half of our time awake at work. Huwag natin sayangin ang oras natin sa pwede na, tulad ng sabi ng chairman natin. Bakit di pa natin galingan? Doing your best at all times should be your mindset kasi wala naman mawawala if we do. Definitely, we have more to gain kung galingan na lang natin lagi. Actually, your experience in the industry spans even more than 2 decades, and we all know that. Kaya kung sa galing lang sa pagbenta at pag-ayos ng kotse, definitely walang sinabi ang mga dealers. All we have to keep in mind is to simply outdo ourselves every single day and every single time so we are able to be ahead of them all the time. Gawin natin kalaban ang sarili natin, hindi ang competition. Lagi ko natatandaan, sabi ni Chairman sa akin, and I would also like to share this to you all. Do not simply make the difference, but be the difference. Marami na kayong napagdaanan at nalampasan na challenges dito sa TMI because you have the desire and the skills to overcome it. I'm therefore positive that we will continue to thrive and will become stronger as one team with one goal. That goal is the dream of our chairman, Mr. Soko, to become the lighthouse that will shine the brightest in the Toyota network. TMI dapat ang nagbibigay ng gabay sa Toyota network at magagawa natin yan lahat kung tayo ay magkakaisa. Team Toyota Makati, for the next 20 years, let us continue creating more smiles and happiness and make us be the bringer of happiness to each coworker and customer you meet each day. Happiness starts from within, so let us make TMI the happiest workplace in the universe. So ang surprise, kung nakikinig kayo, nakikinig ba kayo? Total, Burmans na naman, di ba? Kaya happy Halloween sa inyong lahat. Ano yun?
Guys, sana naman.
Anyway, Burmans na naman ngayon. So, mag-practice na tayo ng Pasko. Diba? So, ano bang binibigay pag Pasko? Di ba may raffle? So, ngayon, para magpasalamat sa inyo, magbibigay lang tayo ng raffle to celebrate our 20th anniversary. Practice lang naman to. Okay? So, sana maging masaya kayo. And I'd like to thank our chairman for actually initiating to give something to our team members through this raffle that our hosts will be explaining later. So, happy anniversary to all. And please enjoy the night. Maraming salamat po.